Hey guys, welcome back to my humble abode. Today we are going to be doing another Frockbox try on. Frockbox, if you weren't aware already, is a fashion subscription box. You sign up for $24.95 Canadian every month. It's a Canadian company. It's an Albertan company. It's actually based out of St. Albert, which is right by Edmonton, Alberta, super close to me. So yeah, it's $24.95 per month. They send you 5 different items. If you keep each item, you basically pay for each item. And the $24.95 comes off the total of whatever you keep. If you keep everything, you get a 25% discount off your entire order. So with that, I've already pulled everything out of my Frockbox. Let's take a look and do a bit of a try on here. And the first item here is this polka dot French sleeve sweater, $69.95. It's kind of a cream with black polka dots. Let me try it on. All right, and here is the sweater, super cute. Again, I'm not a huge fan of light colors because I feel like I stain them very easily, but it's a very nice fit. It's kind of a crop, but I feel like I could even tuck it in to some of my high-waisted skirts and have a really cute kind of retro looking outfit. Very comfortable. $70 is pretty steep, so I'll have to see the rest of the items before I really commit to keeping this, even though I do really like it. So this is by the brand Jilly, and it is a size large. It's made in China and it is 100% cotton. So here's the next item. It's also by the brand Jilly and it's also $69.99. So 2 very kind of similarly priced items. And this is what they call a short sleeve solid jumper. And this is a size large. This is 94% polyester, 6% spandex, and it does have 100% polyester lining, which is kind of nice. It makes it feel a little bit heavier. It feels very soft and comfortable. So, see how we're supposed to put this on. I think it's a crossover on either the front or the back. So let me throw this on and we can take a look. All right, here is, they call it a jumper, but isn't it more of like a pantsuit or a onesies? It's got pockets. So I stick my phone in the one pocket here. And I don't know if it's the most flattering fit, but it's incredibly comfortable, incredibly soft material. It feels almost like pajamas. It's pretty much floor length on me, so with shoes it would be a very nice height. It's like a navy colored suit with green leaves and red squares as kind of the motif. And it does have this cool like cross back straps, which is kind of like effortless and fun. I think the top half looks super flattering. I feel like my tummy is always a bit of an issue, but again, $70 is kind of getting up there. I do feel like both of these Jilly pieces are very well made. I feel like the quality is really there. The lining's very nice. The fabric feels kind of heavy. It's got some nice weight to it. So depending on what the other items are like and how much things I'm keeping, I could definitely be tempted to keep this as well. You have to let me know what you think about this type of jumper on me. Am I just being self-conscious? So moving on to the next item, we have some more Judy blue jeans, and I actually kept a pair of Judy blue jeans from my previous box, which you can check the video up in one of these corners. I always get it mixed up on this camera. But these are black skinny jeans in a size 15 or 32. And it's got this like cheetah print detail on the size. It says they're a mid-rise. They're 75% cotton, 23% polyester, and 2% spandex. Again, made in China. And they are $74.99. Pretty expensive, but I think for a pair of jeans, that's a decent price. Not 100% sure I'm sold on the leopard prints. And you can see the leopard print inside the leg too, which is kind of cool. I really like the quality of my other pair of Judy blue denim, so I think this would be a safe purchase if I keep it. But they do recommend that I pair this with the next item, which is this guy here. So let me throw these on. This cami is by the brand Dex, which we've gotten a few things from Dex before. This is made in China. It's in the color Sugar Coral. This is in the size extra large, and it is 100% polyester. So let me throw this on and we'll take a look. All right, here we go. I feel like they've sized these very strangely. These size 15 jeans. I feel like they're giving me maybe a little bit of muffin top, and we're kind of like right at belly button height, which I guess would be the mid-rise part, but I don't know, they just feel a little bit uncomfortably low and a little bit uncomfortably tight compared to the other jeans. And then the top here seems like kind of really big. I'm not too sure this is a very flattering look combined. That being said, the top is $34.99, and I could definitely see myself wearing this top with other things. I think even though it is slightly oversized, it doesn't like reveal too much at the front, and it would just kind of look flowy and nice tucked into other things. So the top again is a maybe, but the pants are a no. And it's kind of cool how they keep sending cheetah and all these different animal prints, but at the same time, I don't think that's like really my style. Like one piece, that's cool, especially when it's shoes, but like I don't need 10 cheetah prints or leopard print items of clothing in my wardrobe. So the pants are definitely a no. The shirt is a maybe. And the last item that they sent is this pink with a red detail sleeveless V-back color block shift dress. This retails for $44.99. It's just a simple cut in the back with this V-back, and the front has a couple darts, which is cool. And it's just, yeah, a shift dress. So that's a little bit scary for me. I'm kind of heavy in the midsection. I've got really small boobs, a big butt, a big stomach. So I'm not too sure this is gonna be like the most flattering on me. But let me run and try it on here real quick and we'll take a look. All right, and here is the shift dress on. Honestly, I think it's got potential, but I don't think it's the most flattering. I think if I wore it with shapewear, it would help me feel less like maternity dress. This is not a baby. This is just my body. So I think the top part is very flattering. Maybe a little bit of extra fabric. It's a little loose in the back, and yeah, it's just very, very close. I love the bright, colorful colors. It really feels like a winter box more than an autumnal box. Kind of a nice, bright way, but I don't know. Maybe I'm being hard on myself, but I just don't feel like this is quite the look for me, although I think it would look amazing on someone else who's a little bit slimmer. Also feel like you can see like where my panties dip in, and where my like, what are these called? Where it kind of dips in at your hips are super emphasized in this dress. Are they just called hip dips? Anyway, feeling a little self-conscious about those. So this dress is a no. This $44.99 dress is close, but not tempting enough. So let's recap all the items now. These jeans, definitely a no. Actually, as I was taking them off, I was just like, yeah, the more I like wear them and experiment with them, the more I just know they're not a good fit for me. So if I was torn at all, by the time I took these off, these were a definite no. This Dex top is a maybe. It's cute, it's flowy. Even though it's a little big, it still fits very well. And it's got some lovely detail. Again, it feels very well made. This is definitely a maybe. Put that over here. This jumpsuit, I don't know, you guys. I'm so torn. I feel like maybe if the legs were a little bit wider and it looked more like a dress, or I don't know, I just don't think this is the most flattering fit for my body. For now, I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile, but I'm not 100% sure it's a go. And then this Gilly knit top, again, definitely a maybe, not 100% convinced. Again, because it's white, I'll probably get hot chocolate or lipstick or something on it, blood, because I'm just a dirty gal. So I'm pretty sure this is a risky purchase considering that it's $70. I could see it going with a lot of my outfits though. And finally, this shift dress is definitely a no. So let me change out of this. All right, guys, so I don't know about this top. I think I'm not gonna keep anything else. Dad came in and kind of gave me his feedback on some of the items. And we're both kind of torn about this top. Like, I kind of feel like I should keep it as like, I don't want to waste $24, so I spend $10 more. Is that a smart way to do it? Or I just send it all back and be like, try again next month, ladies.
Yep. I don't know. What do you guys think? What should she do?
Yeah, vote up in the comments down below or in the corner. Which corner is it?
By the time this goes up, you'll probably have decided. So.
No.
No? Okay, good.
It's live.
Okay, good.
The back's cute. I just feel like it's a little bit too big.
Yeah, it's a little too big.
Even tucked in.
We were mentioning she might be able to alter it, but like that's a hassle. But yeah.
Yeah.
You also need like a flesh tone bra. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a little transparent, so like for work it just adds another complication where you have to like kind of prepare for what bra to wear. I might be brave and not keep anything this month. If I change my mind, I'll let you guys know with a quick little update. But so far I'm not really feeling anything or like super in love with anything. So that's it for today's video. Thanks, Doug, for joining me for this last little bit.
No problem.
How's life?
Good. I just finished an essay.
Great.
Yeah.
Huge shout out to all my patrons who help make these videos possible. Thanks to you guys for watching. This month's Frockbox wasn't a go. Some months are great, some months are a little less so. I just feel like this one kind of missed my personal style. I don't know how hard they're even trying, but it's fun to experiment, even if they throw things at me blindly.
Yeah, sometimes they do give you some interesting stuff. It's just, yeah, this time.
And I'm probably a worse customer because I don't like actively Pinterest or anything. I just did my initial pin to give them some ideas. And then I just provide feedback each month.
That was months ago. You need to
that was like half a year ago.
Yeah.
Maybe I should
no wonder your style has changed.
Maybe I should take some time out to like repin and like re-emphasize what I'm into. Or maybe I could ask for a different stylist because they do have other stylists. So I could just be like,
yeah, try someone new.
Try someone new. I'll see you in my next beauty video.
Bye.
You saying goodbye?